Alright, it's the last day in Cebu, Philippines. I just dropped off my laundry for the third time. So, doing my last little walk to the last 7-Eleven that I'm gonna go on. And see what happens. The plan is though, yep, get on one of those. And film it. Wish me luck. So we've come to the final day in Cebu. And it's bittersweet. But first, let's do a rundown. I've never been on a vacation where I had to do laundry 3 times in one trip. So first, of course, I had to go pick up my laundry again. So I had a fresh laundry to go back home to. You see, in the Philippines, there's very few crosswalks on non-major roads. Basically, what you have to do is just literally put yourself in traffic. It's the only way to get around. You literally have to just walk into traffic and hope for the best. And I crossed the street. I don't know, just in case you're curious what their 7-Eleven looks like, it's really no different. These are different. Haven't tried them. Won't try them. Candies are more region specific, or actually significantly more region specific. Or candies and snacks, I should say. This is what I come here for. Snacks, region specific. They don't have salt and vinegar Pringles. That I can tell you for sure. Drinks are more closer to what I'm used to, sort of. And a large amount of different kinds of ramen, which I surprisingly did not have that much of on this trip. Laundry detergent comes in pouches for this is a liquid. Yeah, liquid, powder, and there's also stuff for hand washing as well. Hand wash laundry, that is. Toiletries. This is where I found my favorite thing in the whole wide world. These. I bought so many of these. And they work. They're fantastic. So that's pretty much it. That's, you know, the basic idea of what 7-Eleven is. It's the same thing, see? No salt and vinegar Pringles. So, last day vibes. So this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So this is where I'm staying, the Meridian. I'm talking Manhattan level, Brickell, South Beach level kind of luxury. Right there. It's a beautiful place. But it's right next to literally soul-crushing poverty. It's like one pinpoint plot right there. And then literally right next door. And across the street. It's the strangest thing. It's like the developers literally just close their eyes, throw a dartboard at the map and say, okay, let's develop here. See? haven't gone very far. There's my tower right there. And this is where we are. So, I don't know. The Philippines, or at least Cebu City, it's like a oxymoron. It's confused. Little pockets of like really nice luxury and really nice things. But literally, you take a step and you're like, what? I don't know. It's just me. So right across the street, or up the road from my rental, is the gallery. Now, I've been here for 4 weeks, about 3.5, and I never ended up going across the street in the evening to actually visit here. So I don't really know, you know, what is, you know, how good it is, but this is what they have, literally right across the street. And it's much nicer at night when the lights are on. They have a dance studio, burger joint is right there. I don't remember what this is. Oh, this is just a show, or I'm not sure, but it's nice. This is dessert, I believe. Food. Some outdoor seating. This is pretty. This is the classy chick. I think this is also food, no, convenience store. I don't think this is anything. This is also food, and I really wanted to try this, but you know, things happen. This, I believe, is a lounge. More outdoor seating for another lounge. This is a lounge. Lounge Envy, didn't get to go here either. And this is another restaurant, Garden of Envy. So, no, that's it. This is the gallery. Pretty nice. It's you know, I can hear the music. So it's bumping at night from even way up top there. But I never, and it's the funniest thing. It's like just steps. Look, there's my rental. It's steps away. See? Just walk across. Never came. So, I don't know. Maybe next time. So I realize I've been here for almost 4 weeks, and I never gave a proper room rundown. I'm better than this. I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm a travel vlogger, right? So, in true holiday spirit, I did the best that I could to make it look like how I first arrived. So let's check it out. Welcome to the... Then I got a bright idea to go back to the mall. Yay, the mall. To get a haircut. I'm about to do the thing. Ayala Mall? Yes. I actually rode the motocab, which is, or mototaxi, which is basically the motorcycle taxis that they have here. Is this how this works? Alright. Yeah. Your headset, please. Sorry, first time. It's okay. Pull. Just pull the... No? Yeah, you pull it. Pull. This one. Okay. You just knock. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm ready. What do I just hold? What do I hold? Anywhere? Hold anywhere. They give you a helmet, they picked you up, and the guy let me put his hand softly, gingerly, on his his left shoulder, and that is where my hand stayed. No? Just hold it. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah. It's okay. Just hold it. scariest fucking day of my life. All right, thank you. How was it so bad? Put it down. Thank you. Thank you. Everything you see me do in Cebu, that was the scariest thing I ever did. I tried not to clench out of fear, and then of course my sweet and sour behind decided to film both on my phone and on the GoPro. So I'm in the mall again, trying to see if I can get a haircut out of curiosity. But that motorbike ride was the scariest fucking thing I've ever done. Oh my god, I'm still shaking. I'm a wimp. See how this works. All right. Be good. Look at you, you handsome devil. Oh, yeah. What do you think? Yep, you like that? I got a haircut. So, review. It was exactly like a haircut in the States. Until it wasn't. It's when they brought the hot towel. Until the hot towel came out. Followed by wiped my face down. And then proceeded to give me a face massage, temple massage, and then a scalp and head massage. We're not done yet. Then an upper back massage and my lower back. And literally, it was a massage. And then I was done. I had the silliest grin on my face because it was just very, very different. So, not like a haircut in the States? Yes, he got a tip. And yes, he did a fantastic job. Why did I choose the barber that I went to? Well, I saw a black dude in there. And like a legit black dude. I said, okay, if he's comfortable getting his hair cut there, my Dominican looking ass is comfortable getting my hair cut in there. And it came out fantastic. After that, I decided to do some quick errands, what was left over, getting some more last minute gifts, last minute things. So I know what you're thinking. Isn't it overkill to have done this trip for about a month? First time, especially since the wedding and everybody part of the wedding disappeared after about a week or two. I think it was the right thing to do for me. I had the ability to work remotely, to do schoolwork remotely, and it was rough overall working 12-hour difference, getting up sometimes at 2, 3 in the morning for a meeting because I didn't want them to feel like they had to accommodate me. I'll get up for a 2 p.m. Eastern time. I wanted to make it seem seamless, like I was there, that they wouldn't even notice that I was, gone. I will be back. I had a good time, and despite how much of an oxymoron and an enigma Cebu City is when it comes to development and poverty and everything like that, and the swings between being super polite and super impolite. It's weird, but I actually felt good here. Am I moving here? No. But am I coming back for a longer time? You better believe it. Sometimes foreshadowing is very obvious. Overall, good trip. Overall, where I stayed was fantastic. It was impressive for me. And it was impressive to those who saw it. And it's gonna be a memory that I really appreciate. Really, really appreciate. There's a lot I haven't told you guys about. A lot I haven't mentioned. So ask me questions, such as the Pinoy attitude or the women. Oh, seriously, the food. I mean, you see me eating a lot, but I probably didn't even touch on the kind of food that I have and how the food was and how my fasting worked with it. Don't ask me about veganism, all right? I told you guys I quit that 6 years ago after 62 days. Ask me questions. What didn't I talk about? What do you want to know? The fast food, differences in fast food. Honestly, I'll just tell you right now, I didn't have McDonald's or KFC. I had none of them. So I know what the differences are with spaghettis and
but I didn't try it. It was strictly only Filipino food or only East Asian or Asian food is what I had here. About walking late at night, about the Grab app, about there's plenty I didn't say. I can't think of it right now because I am tired and it's time for me to go get ready to fly out of here. So, what's left to say? But that's it for my East Asia, Philippines, whatever adventure. It was a hell of a journey, and I will be back. Thank you. Or is it? Because we're not done yet. The story continues, my friends. That's the one thing about this. I don't know why, even being 16 floors up, I can hear everything so clearly. You know what's the best thing right now? Listen closely. You don't hear the rooster that has been haunting my dreams. Anywho, I digress.